Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm outside of Time Coffee. I've been here for a little bit, about to go back in. I've done a little short review on this, but today I'm going to be giving you a video from my time in Thailand. It's actually the first time I ever used this camera that I'm talking on right now. So I've learned a lot since then, but I still got some great footage and I'm going to share that with you. And just to let you know, in 2 weeks, I'm headed back to Thailand for a month. So if you like Thailand footage, then you need to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. I did stay there for several months, so I have some good knowledge to share on that. We've got a lot of topics to cover. Today, you're going to learn a little bit about the Blue Temple in Chiang Rai. I think my favorite temple there. So enjoy the footage on the Blue Temple. And thanks for joining the channel. Wow.
Respect to the Buddha image